French baker. That's a grocery store. Yeah. Okay, here's a another French baker. Oh, I'd like to try those buns. Bon mi. Lapids. Okay, what else? Butter grill, Mr. Kimbab. Oh, there's an Inihaw Express. Inihaw is grilled. Ilonggo grill. The Saul is homemade kakanin. Oh, there's a kakanin. There's a Dunkin' Donuts. Okay. What's that? That's a Chuck's steaks and chips. There's a bread talk. Oh, there's a Balay Ilocos. I want to try. I want to see what they have there at Balay Ilocos. The Belly Good roast beef. Oh, bibing cute. It's a small bibingka. This is pasalubong. These are for pasalubong. Balay Ilocos is mangan veggie. Oh, looks good. Oh, sinigang. Sinigang yun? Sinigang na bangus? Oh. Ano yun? Yung dilaw? Puso ng saging? Oh. Ay, oh. Davao tuna grill. What? Yeah, lunchtime. They don't have any more breakfast. It's already what time? It's already 10:30. KFC. But I think I'm gonna try either the Ilocos, Balay Ilocos, or the Chowking. I want to see what they have in Chowking. Oh, there's a dog. That's a foot. It says Ilonggo Grill. Oh, look at that. It looks good. Oh, wow. They have crab. Oh, those are tiny crabs. Those are crispy ones. These are good. These are Ilocano. 235 porterhouse. Oh, this is Chuck's steak and chips or chops. I mean, those are not bad. Yeah. Okay, let's go try. Okay, let's go try some other ones. Henlin, Olidia's lechon. Oh, they have lechon. Oh, wow. Salmon head, lechon sisig. We don't have to go to a fancy restaurant to try to try all these ones. Reyes barbecue. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Inihaw, the Inihaw Express. Yeah, there's a barbecue there. Oh, those look so yummy. They're 159 for one meat, one vegetable served with rice. 179 pesos for two meat served with rice, and 199 for two meat, one vegetable served with rice. Wow, sisig. They have sisig too. 155 sisig with egg. Sabaw for two is 318 bulalo. Sinigang and siopaw. Okay. Okay, let's go let's go check this Chowking, what they have in Chowking, and then I think I know what I'm going to get. But I want to check out the Chowking first. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's see what's they have sisig hooray. Baliwag, Turks. What is Turks? Bonchon. Barrow, Bukaloko potato. terms of foreign exchange bills, Chowking, what do they have in Chowking? Let's see. Chow Fan. Oh, these are noodles. Fried rice. I think I know what I want. Just to have siopao, sisig hooray, kasilog, kasilog. Sisig is the, actually I don't really know how to explain it. So
fried, baked.
I think it was it's some sort of a fried and then mixed. I'm not totally sure how to explain it. No, it's not. They won't sell that here. That's
the same name?
No, it's different. I think that was that pagpag. I think this pagpag that's garbage one. No, they're not going to sell it here. Yes. Okay, let's go check. I think I know what I want. The sinigang baliwag. Yeah, it looks really good. 45 pesos. 45 pesos for, yeah. Okay, I want to go back to the Ilocano, where the chucks steak and chops. I think I'm gonna go back there. Yeah, I know. Bonchon chicken, rice bowl. Only dining customers are allowed. The landmark. What's that? I think I know what I want. Where to get what I want is just to have. I have to decide which dish I want. Reyes, that's related to Ibiang. Seafood, grilled pusik, boneless chicken, java rice. Nag-accept kayo ng credit card?
Yes.
Oh, they do accept credit card. Okay. Buttered grill, Filipino hot plate. Okay, I think I'm going to go with the Ilonggo grill. Yeah, okay. Wala pang sinigang? Oh, okay. Crispy ho itong crab na to? Crispy. Oh, okay. Thank you ho. Oh, what are you gonna have?
What is that?
Which one?
It's a different.
Where?
The one's up there, the two rice. The one has sizzling plate.
Oh, ano ho yun? Yung nagsisisling plate na yan? Liampo. That's liampo. Wala bang picture dito?
Lamb.
No. Oh, this one? Ito? Sisig. Oh, sisig with egg? Oh, here, liampo. Oh, this one. And may sauce. Nilalagyan ng sauce. Oh, they put sauce on it. This is the one, liampo, which is pork belly. And they put some sauce on it. Okay. I think we're going to go to that Balay Locos. Okay. Are you going to follow me? Okay, okay. What do you want? Okay.
T-bone.
T-bone?
Yeah.
With, yeah, is that what you want?
Yeah, with rice.
Okay. Is a home T-bone yung served with Java rice? Is there anything that you want?
That's it.
Ayan lang ho.
It's a good one after that.
Yeah, okay.
770 po.
Okay, take it with you.
Thank you.
Okay, hihintayin lang niya o tatawagin?
Tatawagin yung number, ma'am. 15.
Yeah, oh,
Number 15?
number 15, yeah. They'll call your number, yeah. Okay, so why don't you just sit down there? I'll go order my food, okay? go ahead. You were here first. So. Ano yun? Yang may talong. Ha? Munggo? Can I have yung sinigang, yung belly? Thank you. At saka yung itatry ko yung yung saging, yung dilaw with rice, please. Yeah, ano tawag dyan?
Puso ng saging.
Oh, puso ng... Oh, okay. Ano tawag din sa talagang luto?
Ano siya ma'am? Banana leaf.
Oh, banana yung talagang luto. Yung...
Yung ginisa lang po.
Oh, ginisa lang. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you. Pwede humingi ng sauce ng sausawan? Meron kayong patis with calamansi? What do you call that? The
T-bone steak.
T-bone steak with rice and java rice. This is the sinigang, bangus sinigang. This is puso ng saging or banana blossom and rice with calamansi. That's my sauce, patis or fish sauce.
Yeah. And that's from chop steaks and chops.
Oh, Tim got his T-bone from Chuck's Steakhouse, and I got from my Ilonggo, something Ilocos, Balay Ilocos. Banana blossom is really good. So good. Where are we going? I think it's upstairs. Here, we have to take the escalator.
Let's go 300 nasa Malawan namin. Kasi ito 125.
Forgot my hat. Ruffles? Where's the Ruffles?
Right here, that building. Remember coming in here in circles.
Yeah, but Ruffles is there.
Yes. Oh, you want to
Oh, no,
walk
no,
all the way there?
Ruffles. I think this is Ruffles. I you know what? I'm lost.
Because we came to Fremont.
Yeah. There's Ruffles over there. Yeah, walk in shade. Oh, that's a cute dog. There you go.